In this video, I want to show you how to do a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. There's two different ways. Way number one is to click on the power button at the same time as volume down. Okay, click both buttons. You're going to hear a click, and this is a screenshot. You can edit here. So I wasn't quick enough. Let me redo it. Oops, you see, if I don't press both buttons at the same time, it will not work. So over here, I can edit this screenshot by putting some annotation. Let's say you want to circle things. You can erase, you can go back, and you can also share it. So if you press the share button, you'll be able to share it through different apps or with your contacts. If you do not touch anything, so let's say I open this app, I take a screenshot. If I don't do anything, the screenshot will be automatically saved in your photo gallery. So if I go back over here, here you go, you can see the screenshot I just took. Now another way to do a screenshot, if you don't want to every time to do this combination, is to drag down from the top right corner, and over here, you can even drag this more, you should have a screenshot button somewhere. If you do not see it, it's like a shortcut. You can click the pen, click edit, and from here down below you should see the screenshot button. Oh, over here you see take screenshot. Simply drag this icon where you want. Let's say I want it to be the first one because I will use it often. Press done, done, and right now this is our screenshot button. So let's say I'm over here. I want it. Sorry, let me open it up. I'm over here, I want to take a screenshot. While I'll drag down, I'll press the screenshot button, and it took the screenshot. It's easier, in my opinion, rather than try to click two buttons at the same time. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.